This is Rob with Precision Zone, and in this video we're going to talk about some basic DC maintenance. So DC motors have to have maintenance performed on them to keep them running properly. As the motor turns, the DC brushes are consumed. The consumption of those brushes leaves behind dust, and the carbon dust that's left behind is an excellent conductor of electricity. Now, you could only have 2 brushes in a simple DC motor, or you can have up to 12 like this big boy here. And if you can imagine all this dust getting filled, this area being filled with all this dust, it's going to arc and ground out the motor. So let's go ahead and take a look at popping out these brushes and what it takes. Okay, so sometimes it's a little tricky. Sometimes you can do this in the machine, and sometimes you have to take this out of the machine. And whenever you're working around your motor, make sure that the power is off and that you verified that it's off. So, first thing I want to talk about is when you pop out a brush, you want to make sure you note where the orientation is, because it is kind of important to put it back exactly this way, not the other way. Now, it's not the end of the world if you do flip it 180 degrees. It's just going to make a little noise before the brushes get seated again. So you're going to go ahead, take notice of exactly which way they came out. With clean, dry, compressed air, you want to go ahead and as long as you have 2 brushes out, now you want to remove as many as you can, but you only have to have 2 out and blow that compressed air and get all that carbon dust out. Even some motors like this have an inspection plate so that you can just pull 1 brush and you have a big spot for all that dust to come out. Well, once you've done that, go ahead and reinstall the brushes. And you're all ready to go. So the number one problem we have with DC motors when they come in is they're always grounded, and when we pull them apart, they're filled with this nasty carbon dust. It's just a simple cleaning every so often that you can prevent this grounding of the motor happening. Proper maintenance is always the key to long-lasting machines and machinery. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can contact us at precisionzone.com. And we're here, we perform free motor evaluations, and we provide 12-month warranties on all motor repairs. Thanks for watching.